Before you begin, remove 7 of the rubber inserts, the stand bottom cover, the fan, the M.2 solid-state drive, if it's installed, and the speaker mesh. Removal. Carefully remove the 2 pieces of retention tape securing the Alexa LED board to the speaker mesh holder. Gently pry the Alexa LED board from its holder on the speaker mesh and lift it off of its alignment pins. Remove the Alexa LED board. Replacement. Place the Alexa LED board on the alignment pins of its speaker mesh holder. Reuse the 2 pieces of retention tape to secure the Alexa LED board to the speaker mesh holder.